my first time working hands-on. It's pretty new to me, but I enjoy it. Come with some experience or no experience, the instructors really help us out.
Safety-wise, they'll tell you everything that you need to know before you even start. You always do the bookwork before you start the hands-on, so if you don't have any experience, I didn't have any experience when I came in, but they will give you all of the supplies that you need. The instructor is very helpful, and if you need anything, you can just always go to him.
We teach the industry standards on residential construction, which is by the book, but a lot of times you can't, when you're out in the field, you have to deviate from the book a little bit because in here we have perfect conditions. Out in that field, there's all other kind of factors that get in the way sometimes that you have to work around.
Yeah, the instructors pretty much tell us everything we need to know for each class we're in. It's different safety precautions you have to take. But before you even start with the hands-on, you read from the book and do the bookwork, and it goes over all the things you should know to keep you safe.
With our trades, it's a dying trade because a lot of people moving into high tech. It's not only we teach the aspect of construction and how to use the tools and stuff, which is a big part of it, because you learn a lot of that stuff on the job site. We try to teach the soft skills too, how to talk to customers, how to fill out the proper paperwork.
I hope to learn more about myself and other people, and then just contribute to society in any way that I feel like it's most natural for me.
If you're interested in the trades, please try it out.
Go Eagles!